Welcome once again to my channel. SAA Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome to my channel. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own Molato soap. This soap is a requested video. Yes, a lot of you have been asking me, Mami SAA, make a video of how to make a Molato soap. This is how to do it, and you can do it by yourself. But I have created all my soap to make this video a short one. So guys, let's dive into this video. First, get a clean sanitized bowl, and our first ingredient will be our Carotone soap. Carotone soap is a brightening soap, and it is very good for Molato soap. So guys, I shredded in 2 of my Carotone soap. My next ingredient is my Tojon soap. Tojon soap is anti-reaction soap. Yes, it clears stretch marks, dark spots, a lot of skin problems. So I added in 1. I grated 1 of my Tojon soap. My next ingredient is my Larissa soap. You cannot do Molato soap without adding in your Larissa soap. So Larissa soap, I take in 3 and I shredded it. 3 of my Larissa soap. Yes, guys. And my next ingredient will be my K-Brother soap. K-Brother soap is one of the best soap for Molato. So I added in 1 piece of it. K-Brother comes in a lot. So please, I added in the carrot one. Guys, carrot K-Brother soap. Then Almighty Caro White soap. Yes, Almighty Caro White soap is one of the best ingredients in Molato soap. So I added in 2. I grated all these soaps together. And I added in my Ozone soap. Ozone soaps comes in a lot of colors. We have the pink, we have the blue, we have the white, we have the green, we have a lot of it. So guys, I added in my Ozone soap, yellow Ozone. Yes, I added in the yellow one, 2 of it. After getting all these ingredients that I have mentioned earlier, then you shredded it or grated your soap into your bowl. After grating it into your bowl, then you add in your soap activator. Yes, some of the soap activators can be Caro White shower gel. If you don't have Caro White shower gel, you can also contact us and get our Oshapapra soap activator. Yes, we have Oshapapra soap activator also over there, but this one I'm going to add in my Quick White shower gel. Quick White shower gel contains glutathione, it contains vitamin C and E. Also it contains exfoliating property. So the reason why I'm adding this shower gel, because of the ingredient in this shower gel. Please, yes, I selected my things very carefully because these things are for our skin. So whenever you are doing skincare things, you have to also think about your skin itself. So I added in 500 of my Quick White shower gel. Quick White shower gel. If you have watched my video to this part and you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? And also like my video. Comment to also motivate me. Thank you for doing that. After adding in my Quick White shower gel, I will stir it a while for some time. Then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Please, in this soap, I didn't add in any serum or concentrate. I added in only oils. Yes, to moisturize our skin and to glow the skin tone also. So my first oil is the Caro White and White Secret oil. These 2 ingredients is a bomb, but it's not all that I added in this recipe. So watch the video to the end. I added in 1 of my Caro White oil and I added in my 1 secret oil too. I'm done with the White Secret oil. I'm going again with the Caro White oil. This oil is small but mighty. It works, Papa. It works. It lightens the skin, it glows the skin, and it clears dark spots too. So after that, I added in BB Clear oil 1 BB Clear oil. Please, not the serum, I said the oil. 1 of my BB Clear oil. I added this to this production. And I added in my crude kenako. Crude kenako is for green veins, blue veins, stretch marks, skin reactions. Some of us, whenever we use lightening product, it will react to our skin. So I added in 30 ml of my crude kenako. Then I added in my Skin Perfecto serum. I was having it, so this one is optional. I was having half of it. So I added the half to this production. Half of my Skin Perfecto. Then I added in 3 tablespoons of my lactic acid for exfoliating. So please kindly add in shea butter to this production. Even I'll mention that one. Then I added in my preservative. Yes, I can't do soap without adding in preservative because soap goes with water. So I added in 50 ml of my preservative. Yes, for 3 days this is how my soap was looking like. So I added in my aloe vera gel. Please, if you don't have aloe vera gel, add in your shea butter. Aloe vera gel, I added in 3 tablespoons, and shea butter you can add in 3 tablespoons for moisturizing because this soap dries the skin very well. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell. Please like, share and comment. If you are stopping by for the very first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Be part of our family. This channel you'll never regret being part. Okay guys, be supportive, share and like my video. I added in 1 carovate oil. Carovate, please. We have Caroton and Carovate, please. This one is a beautification oil. It's very good oil. I added in 1. Then I use my stick blender to blend it the next day. Look at how my soap look like. So yummy, so orange. Yes guys, this is how it will look like. But please, if you don't want your soap to change in color, then add in a little of your milka powder. Milka powders comes in a lot of varieties and colors, so go for what you want. Okay, but for me, I didn't add in any milka powder. I just scoop it into my soap containers and I'm going to give it to my clients and my customers out there. So some is also there. You can also contact me and get yours. It's very affordable. Yes, very cheap. Why don't you subscribe to my channel and also contact me for all the ingredients I mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell. Please like, share and comment. See you in my next video, and don't forget, I really love you. Bye.